Here we go and welcome to the Idea of Technology. My name is Michael and today it's all about Microsoft mixed reality headset from Lenovo, so coming up. For the setup, I got the main camera over there, some lighting, microphone, and also a second angle camera for close-ups. Here, that's my iPhone 8 on my tripod, so I hope everything's working fine. If you like the setup, just leave a comment down below, or if you just have any suggestions for improvement, just also leave a comment so I can improve my unboxing skills. And I think just let's go. I'm currently in Las Vegas and I had the chance to get in touch with several different virtual, augmented and also mixed reality headsets on the Microsoft Inspire here in Vegas, and it was pretty impressive to see all the different types of headsets out there, and I also had the chance to win one of these mixed reality headsets. You probably know it, as in the title. Today it's all about the Lenovo Explorer. As you know, I just put it back down. As you know, there are several different mixed reality headsets. It's all just some kind of blueprint design from Microsoft to the producing companies like Lenovo, Dell, Acer and also Samsung, I think so. And with this blueprint, the manufacturer can figure out how they want to design their headsets and what kind of features are included, or maybe some differentiators between the different headsets. Therefore, I had the chance to get in touch with the Lenovo Explorer and I won this device, so I'm pretty happy to show you what's inside the box and how it feels and what you can expect when you buy one. So this is the box. Let's get started. So on the back side you just see you have included your headset, also just with two cameras in the front, the cable clip, viewer hinge, so you have some kind of hinge to flip it on your head when you're not using it, the head strap, and also adjustment knob on the back, and you just get two motion controllers. So it's, I don't know if there's a version without motion controllers, but you have the Lenovo Explorer and especially here written with the motion controllers. The motion controllers are the same like on the Dell one and also on the Acer one, I think. So they're sharing these motion controller design. I think that's also cutting the costs. Another thing I just want to mention is I also tested the HTC Vive several hours because one of my friends got one of the very first versions of the HTC Vive, and I tested it several times, so I can just give you a really good idea how well this mixed reality headset working. So on the back we all got everything done. Connectivity, video connector, USB 3.0 connector, 3.5mm audio connector. The resolution, and that's pretty cool, that's also really unique for this device. You get per eye 1440 by 1440, and this also set by 90 Hz, so you can guess you need a pretty decent or pretty powerful graphics machine out there. Also with the necessary connectors, so HDMI port and also USB 3.0 port. This is just really good because you can't see different pixels anymore. The very first HTC Vive was just a little pixely, so you can see through this raster, and it was a little bit annoying, especially when it comes to just driving simulators, because you need to look far in the front to get the next curve and where do you want to navigate, and I hope this is just not the case with this one. You also get 110-degree angle of view, so your viewing experience should be pretty good, but I think it's not as immersive as HTC Vive Pro or Oculus Rift, because they're more close to the headband, and we will get to this point in the review. Also, 380 gram total weight, it's pretty light I think, and also the total cable is nearly 4 meters, so that should be enough to walk around into your room or just get into action. So that's it. On this side, on the left side, we got just the headset and two motion controllers. On the right side, we got room scale, Microsoft games and content, you also, and that's pretty cool, you not only get access to, or the ability to play Microsoft mixed reality content from the Microsoft Store, you also now have the chance to play via Steam VR. So you can play all the games you can play with your HTC Vive on a Microsoft mixed reality headset, and that's just, in my opinion, a pretty big game changer. So if you're into this, you can buy cheap mixed reality headsets like this one. It's pretty cheap, just look it up. I just will put down a link down in the video description, so you will find it easier on Amazon and can support my channel. And it's just pretty impressive that you can have whole access to every virtual reality content out there. Room scale, plug and play, compatible with most popular computers. So I think that's pretty, let's say, confusing sentence. Compatible with most popular computers. What you can do is go to your Windows 10 machine you have out there, open the mixed reality app, and when you open the mixed reality app, I think you need the Fall Creators update for this one, and there you can do a test run how well your computer will perform when using a mixed reality headset. Just do this before you buy a headset and you will get some impression what do you need to do, where you need to improve your computer maybe to get running for a mixed reality headset. Maybe it's just running on 60 Hz instead of 90 Hz. That's also fine if you're not into this high refresh rate. And I will also post down a link down in the video description to a Microsoft resource where you will find all the necessary information about what's the minimum specification and what's the recommended specification for your computer. So I think that's also important for you to figure out. Yeah, I just got this, probably the tiniest scissor ever, but it's just from the first aid kit. But anyway, so this side either, this side and this side. Let's see, let's pack in there. Okay, so I need to flip it over to get inside. Yeah, here we go. I think that's it. You get some kind of booklet over here with some paper in it. It's pretty cool. They're getting better with it. The headset itself, put it back here. And the two motion controllers, also packed here. They're pretty light. And what's inside here? I think these are the batteries. So the motion controllers are running with typical AA batteries. So maybe you can just put in some rechargeable batteries that would be better for the environment. But I think these are just some. Now that pretty cheap. Put this over. And that's it. So it's looking something like this inside, and pretty mushy. I like this. It's good. Maybe also consider to keep the box for transportation. So what do we got here? First, the headset. All this paper stuff here. Batteries, and also, let's see, motion controllers. I kind of like the motion controllers. I think you just need to figure out for yourself if this is okay for you. Compared to the ones from the Oculus or the Vive, they way better. But when it comes to just using your headset and don't need lighthouses or satellites in your room for room scale, and you just want to go in a smaller room with an easier setup with just your headset and also just the tracking of your controllers via the inbuilt cameras inside the headset, I think that's totally fine, and I really appreciated the tracking. So we got this here, these two The cables are they're splitted, so all the way split, I think so. Just take a look. Come on, this way. Oh, the Velcro. Come on. So yeah, no, it's one cable. You get no headset. So if you want to use your own headset, you can just plug in your 3.5mm headphone in this headphone jack, and you just can keep going. I also think you can use a over-ear headset because on the sides it's just pretty small framing. Just want to get the one cable 4 meters, and at the end splitting up to let's see that way. At the end it's splitting up to HDMI and also USB 3.0. Yeah, that's it. So that's the cable, the adjustment knob. Yeah, it's more a plastic feeling. I think the cushion is pretty good. It's so light, and I think for working, just wearing it over an hour, it's also cool. The HTC was so heavy, and as I can see, you can just adjust it for really big heads. And I've also that's probably my biggest problem. I have a really huge head, and not so many helmets or whatever you put on your head fitting, but this one does. So I think just nearly everybody can wear this. You can make it this big or smaller, and in the front you just get the two cameras. To be honest, it's not some kind of mixed reality headset in the way you can do virtual reality and augmented reality like seen on HoloLens, but it's more like a virtual reality headset, and I think you just should keep it that way. The hinge is also working good. Looks cool. Just get it this way. The cushion feels good, and the goggles have this little plastic on it, so that's it. And the motion controllers, the triggers, so now I have everything set up. Yeah, would be cooler to have just a rechargeable battery in here, but as you know it from Microsoft, and especially when it comes to the Xbox controllers, you know you will probably stick to batteries. I think there's also no chance to get some like Xbox One controller integrated battery packs, like you know, I think you just don't get it for all the motion controllers here. I think that's fine. Feels quite good, especially for this price tag. Okay, what we got inside here? Just some kind of small manual and Explore mixed reality application. Just setting up to the computer, headset, putting it on, batteries in. Okay, that's fine. And just let's say some kind of toilet paper. Plug and play like it's written on the box, so go for it, plug it in, and have fun. Look on Steam for Steam VR, and also in the Microsoft Store for your favorite VR for your favorite VR apps and applications, whatever you want to do, playing games or just maybe watching a video, I don't know. This was just the unboxing part. I will also do a detailed review about it. Just want to show you what's inside. It's pretty easy. Just all the toilet paper, the manual, batteries for the motion controllers, and the headset. I think nothing more, nothing less, just like it's written on the outside of the box. I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you can more get some kind of feeling what it's like to buy one of these. I can just really recommend it. I tested it a lot of time on the Microsoft Inspire. Also wanted to say thank you for this price. I just won it. And Also want to say thank you for watching this video. If you disliked this video, you know what to do, but if you liked it, just hit like down there. Follow the links in the video description, and also get subscribed if you haven't yet, and also enable the notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss other unboxings on this channel or just the review on the Lenovo Explorer headset. And I just want to say thank you and have a great day. Bye!